tag shipping again.
Lord Jesus.
And here we got the avocado Dunk Lows. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and bust a little materials check. And they actually did a really good job of making the shoe look like avocado skin. As you can see, they even got the little sticker. And they got a light green suede around the collar and the heel tab. The tongue is a soft dark green denim. And just like the banana dunks I did before, comes with a bag, nutrition facts, and a recipe for how to make a smoothie. No cap, Nike hit it out the park with these. It's good to see that they can still make a shoe with quality visuals and not just throw some stuff together. And I know dunks are hella overhyped right now, but these, they worth the cop.